We're getting some big updates from Delhi courts in the Sunanda Pushkar death case. Now, Delhi police has knocked the High Court, challenging the discharge of Shashi Tharoor. Police has challenged this discharge after 15 months. So, it's going to be very interesting to see on what grounds they've done it, that too so late after the discharge to the prominent Congress leader, husband of the late Sunanda Pushkar, who was accused of being involved in her death. My colleague Ananya is joining us. Ananya, what is the Delhi police saying in its challenge? What are they challenging exactly?
Well, exactly, not much details as to why the Delhi police has challenged this particular order is actually diverged in this particular hearing. Because remember that this is a preliminary hearing. The Delhi police told the court that it's a revision petition that is being filed against the final order of the trial court discharging, in fact, Shashi Tharoor into this particular case. Remember that last year Shashi Tharoor was actually, in fact, discharged by Special CBI Judge Gitanjali Goyal of, in fact, Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. And now almost 15 months later, in fact, they have knocked the doors of the Delhi High Court, challenging that particular order. Senior Advocate Vikas Pava, who was appearing along with Advocate Gaurav Gupta for Mr. Pava, for Mr. Tharoor, actually opposed this petition. He also said that there is a delay of over 15 months, and in criminal jurisprudence, it is not at all viable, and that's the reason why the court has issued notice on both the application, the appeal, the revision petition that has been filed by Tharoor, by the Delhi police, and also the condonation of delay application, which basically explain as to why, in fact, there is such a long delay in filing such a revision petition. And now the court has asked Mr. Tharoor and their counsels to actually respond to this particular petition that has been filed by, in fact, the Delhi police. So it would be very, very interesting to see as to what are the grounds that are mentioned. But then, due to a media restraint into this order, due to a gag order into this particular case, the documents of this particular case are not shared with anybody except for the parties, and that's the reason why much details could not be accessed at this moment of time.
But Ananya, two things. One, 15 months, is that too long a period to be filing this revision petition, or is that something that happens from case to case? Secondly, just to jog our viewers' memory, if I remember correctly, Shashi Tharoor, husband of late Sunanda Pushkar, faced the direct charge of murder, Section 302, isn't it?
Well, definitely. Shashi Tharoor had faced, in fact, a 302 charge, but then the court had discharged him of all the charges at that moment of time, saying that there was no evidence against him. Apart from that, what is very, very important, and your second question was that, is there a delay? Yes, definitely there's a delay of over 15 months. It's not usually accepted by the court when there is such a long delay, but then in special cases, the Delhi police have to make out a case that it's a fit case for a delayed hearing, and they would have to bring out grounds as to why this appeal has been filed in such a late manner.
So, Ananya, just hold on with me. We'll wait on for more details if they do come out on what are the grounds the Delhi police is using. My colleague Arunima is also